Hi guys, it's Mike from GR Moto, and today's video is all about the accessories I've purchased for my Honda CRF300L 2026 model. Quite a list of parts that I'm about to fit on the bike, so I'll give you pictures of the parts and contacts of where I bought them from and prices. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you later. Okay, so here we have the Akropovic full race system. Apparently it's 3 kilos lighter than the standard exhaust, and the price I paid at Shopee was 3,500 Thai baht. Next we've got the frame protectors, plastic construction, and you tie wrap them on. I purchased these from Lazada and paid 215 Thai baht. So next we're going on to the high flow air filter. Nice little unit, better than the paper one, it's made of foam. And I paid 614 Thai baht with Lazada. Nice product. The next are the handlebar grips, which I've used before, and they are very comfortable and cost effective. I only paid 109 Thai baht on Lazada, so very good, cheap product. Next we're moving on to the Acerbis hand guards, very good quality, and I only paid 298 Thai baht for these. Okay, next we have the tail tidy, which is metal construction, powder coated black, very nice fit, a lot better than the original in my opinion, and I paid 414 Thai baht from Lazada for this product. Now we're going on to the back rack. I had to repaint this because it was in high gloss black, and I painted it matte black. It looks a lot better, and I paid 710 baht from Lazada. Next we're looking at the screen protector, which I paid 89 baht for on Lazada. Then moving on to the Renthal handlebars, which I paid 670 baht for on Lazada. And now we're moving on to the crash plate, which I've had to modify, to be honest. I was going to send it back because the hole centres didn't match up, but I managed to fit it. There's the fixing screws, and I paid 513 baht for this on Lazada. Okay guys, I hope that was of help to you. So all the accessories with the prices, and I plan to fit them over the next few days, so I'll also do a video of fitting them, which may also help you. Some of the items will be very easy to fit, some more difficult, such as the exhaust. So I plan to do that this afternoon. I will put a link to the sites where I purchased them. If you're in Thailand, then I'm sure you can purchase them yourself from there. Other countries, I think it may be more difficult. Lazada and Shopee generally only ship in Asia, but I'm looking at other solutions if I can help people to get the accessories cheaper. I know in the UK the prices of the accessories in some cases are like 4 times more expensive, so I'm going to be looking at maybe providing a service to ship from Thailand to the UK, the US, Australia, wherever. Okay guys, nice to see you, and hopefully you'll be back again. Bye for now.